Guys, all hands on deck. This is a 911 emergency video. This has got to be settled here in the next 24 hours. And we need to name our autopilot. So I'll give you a little speech about our autopilot. Here in the comments, what should we name the autopilot on Dydronimus? We haven't named it yet. You know that we've named our engines, and our generator's name is George. George gives us light and gave us the opportunity to do this trip, and we appreciate him. And he continues to bring us light, so that's why the generator's name is George. We got Hope on the starboard side. That's our 671 Detroit naturally aspirated engine. Hope gave me the most troubles when I picked this boat up in Nassau, so that's why I call her Hope. And then Dreamer was the better of the two engines. Neither one of them was great, but it was the better of the two engines, so we gave that one the name Dreamer, because every boy's dream is to come out, do some big ocean adventure, whether it's sailing around the world or something. So it's for all you dreamers out there, we named that engine Dreamer. But we need to name our autopilot. So I want to hear in the comments, let's let you guys help name this autopilot. And it's done a flawless, except for our mistakes, and that's like hitting the off button or something like that. The autopilot's been spot on in any conditions, so that's really, really good. But here you go, Captain Paul, no regrets, Captain Paul. Twin brother Pete, Lee, just a stellar of a stud. This guy jumps in the water, everything. Dydronimus has given us one hell of a ride so far. We've got almost 3,000 miles in her. We got another 3,000 miles to go. We're not quite halfway right now. So I need that name ASAP. Whoever does it, I promise you a shirt. I just can't promise you when you're gonna get your shirt. We have them in the boat, but we're also in this next leg. If we get the weather opportunity, I'm gonna set up the store, and then I'll send you one directly from the store. So whoever gets the name of the autopilot, they get a shirt too, a no regrets t-shirt. Anyway, thank you guys, we appreciate it. And I want to hear in the comments, so I'm going to be watching them for the next 24 hours for the name of the autopilot. 911, we need an autopilot name.